Assalamu alaikum class. Last time we have discussed about the classification of organic compounds, and today I am going to discuss about the sources of organic compounds. First of all, the first source is plants and animals. We obtain carbohydrates, lipids, oil, proteins, and so many other organic compounds from plants and animals. And coal and petroleum are also obtained from plants. And we know that coal and petroleum are the major source of fuel, and we use them in our daily life. We use these as a fuel to run different industries, to run our vehicles, and so many other things. Now moving toward the second source, that is coal. And what is coal? Coal is solid material having black color, or we can say that it's solid black material. And how coal is formed? It was believed that 500 billion years ago the plants and animals was buried under the earth, and when they buried under the earth, they convert into anthracite. How they convert into anthracite? Suppose we have a plant on the earth. Due to any activity, it is buried under the earth. First layer of sand is formed on it due to the blowing of air, and second layer of sand is also formed on it, and third, with the passage of time, this layer becoming thick and thicker. Due to a bulky weight on this plant or animal, it has to face a pressure. And due to the presence of bacteria within that plant, it also has to face the biochemical reactions. At higher pressure and temperature, it converts into peat. Later on, the peat converts into lignite. And after higher pressure, it converts into bituminous coal, and at the end, it converts into anthracite. And anthracite is the main source of our daily life, is main source for the fuel, and that fuel is used for our daily life. And what happens when we heat up any coal? When coal is heated, it converts into three main components, that is coal gas and coke. And these are also the sources of organic compounds. Third source is natural gas. What is natural gas? Natural gas is actually low boiling point hydrocarbons. It has the hydrocarbons having low boiling point. And what is the major portion of natural gas? Methane is the major portion of natural gas, and it's up to 85% the part of natural gas. And it is also used as a fuel and raw material for the synthesis of different products like PVC, fertilizer, and so on. Now moving toward petroleum. What is petroleum? Petroleum is actually the combination of two words. First is petra and second is oleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil. We can name it as rock oil, and it is the refined form of mineral oil. How it is formed? It is also formed by this process. It is also formed by the slow chemical and biochemical decomposition of organic compounds, and it is also source for different organic compounds. How we obtain organic compounds from petroleum? We use fractional distillation. A little bit introduction about what fractional distillation is. How we can separate the different organic compounds from the mixture of petroleum, and we use the fractional distillation technique for this purpose. What is fractional distillation? First of all, its definition. Technique used to to separate organic compounds from its mixture or their mixture. What type of mixture? Suppose it's petroleum. On the basis of their boiling points, and it is done in the absence of air. In the absence of air. In the absence of air. For example, we have a mixture containing three main organic compounds. First is A, second is B, and third is C. And the boiling points of these compounds are, it has boiling point 40 degrees Celsius, and suppose it has 60 degrees Celsius, and C compound has 80 degrees Celsius. Then what we will do, we take this mixture in a container, fully isolated container. Suppose it's a container and it is enclosed container, and here is mixture, and here will be outlet. In this mixture we know that A, B and C compounds are present, and the room temperature is 25. Room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, and when we heat this mixture, its temperature will increase and it will rise, and when we attain the temperature of 40 degrees Celsius, when it increases up to 40 degrees Celsius, the compound in this mixture, that is A, will start to boil. It will start boiling. Then we can separate this A component to outer environment, to our container or another jar. When on continuous heating, it also increases the temperature up to 40 degrees Celsius, and after we can gain 60 degrees Celsius. On 60 degrees Celsius, B compound also will evaporate, or it will boil and convert into vapors, and we can separate the B to another container. And when we increase the temperature up to 80 degrees Celsius, then the remaining C component will also evaporate and can be separated. It is the major technique that the scientists or industrialists used for the separation of different organic compounds from petroleum, and it is done in the absence of air. Why air is absent? When air is present, then this organic compound may burn, because it has low boiling point and it can react with oxygen and it can form different other organic compounds, and it can also blast. So in this process, it is necessary that oxygen should not be present in that container. Thank you, student. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Inshallah, I will come tomorrow with a new lecture. Allah Hafiz.